Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, folder access denied, you need permission to perform this action easy fix. Right-click folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Share. Type Everyone. Click Add. Change permission to read and write. Click Share. Click Change Settings. Click Done. Click Close. Now simply delete this folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.